Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the Luana English Podcast, the place where we help you level up your English while talking about things that actually matter in the world. I'm Luana.
And I'm Josimar. Great to be here, Luana. I've been looking forward to today's topic because it's something I see every time I walk through my own city.
Exactly. Today, we are playing the gentrification game. We're talking about how neighborhoods change, why that cute new coffee shop might be a sign of something bigger, and how it affects the people living there.
It's a complex topic, but a perfect one for our B1 and B2 learners to practice opinion language and social vocabulary. Let's dive in.
So, Josimar, I went back to my old neighborhood, Villa Verde, last weekend. I barely recognized it. There used to be a small family-owned bakery on the corner, but now it's a cat cafe where a latte costs $6.
Ah, the classic sign of gentrification. It's a bit of a double-edged sword, isn't it? On one hand, the area looks cleaner and safer. On the other hand, where did the original neighbors go?
That's what I was wondering. My old neighbor, Mrs. Silva, had to move out because her rent shot up. She lived there for 30 years. It feels like the soul of the neighborhood is being replaced by something polished but expensive.
It's an economic cycle. Usually it starts when artists or students move to a cheap area because they can't afford the city center. They bring a certain vibe. Galleries, cool murals, and then real estate developers notice.
Right, and then they start building luxury lofts. I see that term everywhere. But Josimar, isn't it good for the city to improve these rundown areas?
In theory, yes. Better infrastructure and less crime are great. But the problem is displacement. When the cost of living rises too fast, the people who actually built the community's culture are forced to leave. They are priced out.
It's like the neighborhood is being rebranded. It's not for the people who live there anymore, it's for the people the city wants to attract.
Precisely. It's a shift from community to commodity.
Okay, Josimar, let's pause the debate for a second and look at the language we're using. I noticed we're using a lot of change verbs.
Good catch. One very common phrasal verb we use when talking about gentrification is to spruce up.
Oh, I love that one. The city is trying to spruce up the downtown area. It means to make something look cleaner, newer, or more attractive. It's usually about appearance.
Exactly. Another important one is to move out versus to be pushed out. If I move out, it's my choice. If I'm pushed out, it means external factors, like high rent, are forcing me to leave. In the passive voice, long-time residents are being pushed out by rising costs.
That's a great distinction. And what about the cultural side? I often hear people talk about losing the local flavor.
That's a cultural nuance point. Local flavor refers to the unique character, traditions, and types of people that make a place special. When every street has the same 3 global coffee chains, we say the neighborhood has become homogenized.
Ooh, homogenized. That's a high-level word. It means everything looks the same, no variety. Before we go, let's recap 5 key terms from today's chat. Number 1. Double-edged sword. In idiom, something that has both favorable and unfavorable consequences. Example, the new highway is a double-edged sword. It's faster to travel, but the noise is terrible. Number 2, to shoot up. Phrasal verb, to increase very quickly, usually prices or temperatures. Example, property taxes shot up after the new park was built. Number 3, priced out. Adjective, phrase, when you can no longer afford to live in an area or buy something because the price has risen too much. Example, many young couples are being priced out of the housing market. Number 4, run down. Adjective, in very bad condition because of age or lack of care. Example, they bought a run-down building and turned it into a beautiful hotel. And number 5, vibe. Noun, informal. The mood or character of a place, situation, or person. Example, I really like the vibe of this art gallery. It's very relaxing.
This has been a great conversation, Luana. Gentrification is a global issue, from London to Lisbon to Luanda.
It really is. And for our listeners, look around your own neighborhood today. Has it changed recently? Is it being spruced up? Try to use at least 2 of our new vocabulary words to describe it to a friend.
Thanks for joining us. Keep practicing, and we'll catch you in the next episode.
Bye-bye.